Okay, construction of a congruent angle. And this is page 47, are your directions. All right, so draw in an acute angle. Again, making sure that none of your lines are horizontal. Whoops. So this is P, and arrows are going this direction. Then draw a horizontal line. Well, it's really a ray. We're going to draw a ray. Put a point on one end, arrow on the other. And we're going to call that point T as in Tom. All right, so here's the step I skipped before. So take your compass, and it can be on any setting that you want. Put your pointy part, or if you have the safety compass, your brad over the P. And then choose a setting on your pointy compass that is going to get you, fairly up here somewhere. Or choose a point or a hole on your safety compass that's going to enable you to make an arc that goes across both sides of that angle. And then we're going to name this point here point Q, and this point here point R. So you just chose any setting and keep that setting. And then, so on here, let's see, I chose the following setting because I lost my point. So if you lose your point, just on the safety compass, put it back in here. So I need my pencil in the hole. So then take this same setting and transfer it over to point T. So make sure that your pointy part is on T or your brad is on T. Same setting as before, make an arc. I'm going to name that point Y. So all I'm missing from my angle is where does this side of the angle go? It's got to hit somewhere along that arc, right? Can't I measure this arc here? And if I get the same arc here, won't I have equal angles? So then I'm going to take my compass, my pointy compass or my safety compass. I'm going to put my pointy part or my brad on either Q or R. I choose Q. Finger there. And then if you got the pointy compass, make the setting from here to here. But with the safety compass, I have to find a hole that will go directly over R. Well, the left side won't work. So how about the right side right there? So I'm going to put my pencil in that hole that gives the same distance. Then I'm going to swivel this over, pick it up a little bit, and put it on Y. Make sure it's directly on Y. And then I'm going to make an arc that intercepts the other arc. Remember the X's that we had the last time we did a construction? So this creates a point. We're going to call it point X. And then I'm going to draw a line from point T through point X. Or a ray, I guess. And now I should have equal angles. I'm going to go grab a compass, check it. If you want to check yours, you can grab a compass as well. Oh, I'm sorry, protractor. Oops, protractor. So I'm going to measure my first angle, just to prove to you. So I'm going to line up the middle, and my baseline here was 0. And the angle I made is just shy of 50, so it's what, about 48? So it's a 48-degree angle. Let's hope that we get a 48-degree angle here. Did I also get a 48-degree angle there? Just shy of 50, also 48. So again, here's the steps again. You've got an angle. You're going to start with a ray for your new angle. So I started with a ray. Then my second step was to draw this arc. Any setting you want to. Just from P, draw that arc, but make sure you keep that same setting, and from T, draw the same arc. Then measure this distance from Q to R here, and keep that same distance here, and make another arc. Wherever the arcs intersect, that's the point that should be on your other side of your angle. Draw a line through it, you're done.